Hi, I am Antonio Cortez with Matthews Marking Systems. Today I'm going to present to you the full range of Matthews print and apply labeling equipment, the A series. As you will see in this presentation, we have a full line of printers, applicators, and accessories to be able to fulfill your needs in labeling, everything from primary to tertiary packaging. The modularity of the system enables us to adapt and customize based on your needs. First, let me talk about the key features of our systems. Simplicity. With simplicity in mind during the whole design process, the Matthews A series will not only be simple for the operator to use, but it also makes the unit simple to install. Easy to integrate into your production environment, and with the Matthews Imperia controller, it can be integrated with your inkjet, other marking equipment, or third-party equipment. More about Imperia later. Also simplicity because it's easy to maintain for your operator to change ribbons and labels easily. And for your maintenance people, when exchanging common wear parts with limited tools in a matter of minutes. A simplistic design has the benefit of making the product robust and safe. So, let me show you how easy it is to replace a label in the A-series printer. I'm going to take a roll of new labels, put it in the feeder, and then we have that go through the followers into the print head, and then we can bring the labels up to the rewind roller, where we have a clip for easy hold of the labels, and the labels will be set as soon as we close the print head. It will automatically sense the tension on the labels and get it ready for the next label to print. For those of you that have seen similar systems on the market, the absence of many rollers and followers will be apparent and remarkable. The smart control of the Matthews A series continuously measures the tension of the label and force needed in the rewind roller and adjusts the speed and tension required for the next label as the labels are consumed. The sensor in the print head knows the gap in between the labels, and it will automatically fine-tune the tension and position for the next label, ready for print as soon as you close the print head. So, move on to the next key feature, safety. One of the issues that is on top of our mind, and I know that is also very important to you in your daily operations, particularly when it comes to tertiary labeling, where strong and assisted cylinders are used to label on big and heavy pallets. So the common approach is to protect the workers from this by building bulky and costly structures around the installation. With the A-series, the solution is different. Thanks to a smart control on the applicator, and it has a motor, and the system will notice if something is caught between the applicator and the pallet, and it will automatically stop and retract. Also, the pivotable mount of the A-series Flex Y will stop the equipment if the unit is moved out of position. So, let me give you a quick sample on the safety feature for the A-series printer. There is a smart control on the applicator that will detect anything that is in between the applicator and the pallet. Should something be on the way, it will stop and retract. Let me give you a quick sample. The applicator has a smart control. It will stop when detects something in between the applicator and the pallet, and it will stop and retract. Our third key feature is attractiveness. Of course, it is important to us that the equipment we sell is visually attractive, it looks good, but attractive in our sense means more than that. We want to be able to offer our customers an attractive, complete solution to satisfy your needs. If you combine what I have brought up so far, the end result for your business will be an attractive way to reduce your total cost of ownership and make daily life of your operators and maintenance people just better in general. The one last key feature that I want to talk about to you is the power of Imperia. Imperia is the control interface for all Matthews marking and coding equipment. You might be familiar with some of our inkjet product lines offered by Matthews Marking Systems, the T-Series and the L-Series, high-resolution inkjet printers, and the V-Series for large character printing, and that they all can be controlled with the same controller. Certainly, the A-Series can also be controlled with the Imperia controller, and it can just be as easy to be integrated into your factory setting. Throughout our engineering solutions group, we can also easily integrate and control your existing marking and coding equipment supplied by a third party. And this provides great possibilities for simple line control, having one central location for controlling and managing all devices. We will show you the building blocks of the A-Series system that enables you to configure pretty much any application. We have 3 printer models. The D43 has a 4-inch wide printhead and it prints at 300 dpi resolution. This model is printing using so-called direct thermal, therefore the D in D43. That means the labels are made of a heat-sensitive material and the printhead prints on the label without the need for a ribbon to transfer print onto the label. The D43 is our smallest and most compact unit and is suitable for secondary labeling such as perishable goods that do not have strict requirements of long life. The T43 is also a 4-inch wide printhead and is also printing at 300 dpi resolution. The difference here is that the T stands for thermal transfer. Thermal transfer means that there is a second media called the ribbon, and this ribbon is fed into the printhead along with the label, and then it will transfer the ink from the ribbon onto the label. This will give you the capability to print on a variety of labels depending on your specific needs. And you can also print on pre-printed labels where you add, for instance, just a date or a batch number. With the T43, you can also print direct thermal labels. Just do not add the ribbon and change the software setting, and it's just ready to go. That easy. Last but not least, we have the T63 printer. It has a lot in common with the T43 except that the printhead is 6 inches wide. This is the model that we use together with our Flex Wide pallet labeling system for tertiary coding. But it can also be used with other applicators in a variety of applications. In our portfolio, we also have a wide range of accessories. Stands are available in variable heights and come in motorized versions. A wide range of attachments, alarm beacons, and accessories really help us tailor-make a solution for you using the versatile building blocks of printers, applicators, and accessories. So before we move to Q&A, let me show you a video of one of our customer installations. This customer is labeling pallets at the end of the production line, and the line has 2 flex wipe systems working in parallel and is integrated into the factory ERP system using the Imperia controller. The reason for having 2 systems can be multiple. For one, it can be due to capacity needs. The second is availability. In this case, there will be always a printer available if one printer runs out of labels or needs some maintenance. This means the availability of the line is maximized.